Welcome to B.Y.O.O TV.
Do you need some help learning to skate, B.Y.O.O?
No, I do not want to continue.
Don't be afraid. You can do this.
Okay, I'm ready.
Come on, get up. Don't give up yet. Great job. Now keep practicing every day. Come on, you're almost there. Keep going.
Never give up. Keep trying again and again.
You are the real champion. You are my best coach.